Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa ating bago nating problem about simple stresses. We have the link BD. Link BD consists of the single bar. So, kabi-break lang nito, single kaagad. Sorry. Single bar 1 inch wide and 1/2 inches thick, knowing that each pin has a 3/8 inches in diameter. So, may mga pin dito. Determine the maximum value of the average normal stress link BD. So ito lang yung ating kukumputin. If the force is, or the angle of the force is 0 degree. And for letter B, determine the maximum value of the average normal stress link BD if 90 naman. Nasa 90 degree naman yung ating loadings. Okay? So, solve natin to. Pero like mo muna yung ating like mo naman muna, tapos subscribe mo na din kung nanonood ka nito. Para naman medyo ganahan tayo. Okay, so link BD consists of a single bar. Ito na ba? And a wide inches thick. So, yung thickness ng papaluin natin. So, this would be 1 inch. 1 inch. Tapos yung thickness is 1/2 inches. Okay? So, solve muna natin. Okay? Ganito yung mangyayari sa ating loadings. For that is 4 keeps. Yung memories nyo, taguan nyo, 4 keeps. Wag mong i-delete. That's kasi 4 keeps yun. Sorry. So, determine the maximum. So, letter A. Letter A, okay, so ganyan wala tayong magagawa, ganun talaga. So, kailangan muna natin kunan ng reaction to para magkaroon tayo ng stress dyan. So, para makuha natin yan, kailangan natin itong distance. Diba? Tapos ito, syempre, papunta siya doon, kailangan natin yung distance dito. So, that is, yan? This would be, sabihin natin, x. Cosine, that is cosine. Cosine of 30 is equal to x over 12 inches. So, makuha natin yung value ni x na 12 cosine of 30. Okay, so that is 10 point, tama ba? 10 point, okay, that is 10.392. That is 3.392. So, okay, store natin sa, sabihin natin sa B. Okay, that is okay. 6 the square root of 3. Pwede din naman para hindi masyadong maano. Next naman is ito. That would be, sabihin natin H. Yung H natin is, that is 18 mula dito. That is 18 inches. Diba? So, makukuha natin siya via sine. Sine of 30, H, tapos 18. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong 18 sine of 30. We have 9. We have the value of 9. Okay, so ngayon is okay na. Mayroon na tayong distance. So, magte-take na ako ngayon ng moment. Moment at A, sabihin ko moment at A is equal to 0. So, ngayon is meron tayong support papunta dito. Okay? That is an opposite sa ating gusto, or it's up to us kung ano yung mangyayari dito sa ating support na yan. Pero dito is nakikita natin na sumasalungat yung ating arrow, designation arrow natin is, ibig sabihin that would be RBD. Yung distance natin, that is 10.392. Okay? And then, plus kasi, actually, this would be negative, pero pwede naman plus kasi sumasalungat. So, ibig sabihin pwede nating i-plus yan. Magko-combine itong dalawa. So, 4 times the value is 9 is equal to 0. So, ito magiging negative. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating magiging value nito is negative. So, our RBD is equal to magiging negative. Kasi negative yung ating, dapat daw pababa yung ating designation. Okay? So, we have ganito. This would be BD natin, di ba? That is our BD, 6 the square root of 3. Na-compute natin yan. That is 10.392. Ito yon, 392 yan. Times this 4 keeps times 9. So, we have the answer of 2 the square root of 3, yung ating force BD. Okay? Yun yung ating magiging force BD. So, compute ulit natin, if correct, dito naman sa ating 4 times 9 divided by 10.392. Okay, so that is approximately 3.464. Diba? 3.464, which is 2 the square root of 3 is equal to 3.464. Okay, so ibig sabihin tama yung ating sagot. Okay, next. Since meron na tayong value ni BD, kukumputin na natin yung ating average stress. Yung average stress natin is that is a force over the area. So the question is, what is our area? Diba? So yun yung ating magiging tanong. Kasi alam na natin that our force is RBD. Diba? Kasi ito yung kukumputin natin eh. So ibig sabihin, yung thickness natin, that is 0.5. Tapos yung ating lapad is 1 inch. Diba? So, ito yun ha. Nakakonsentrate tayo dito. Yan, ganyan na yan. So, merong pin dito. Ito yung pin. That is the diameter of the bolt. Okay? So, yung ating area na tatamaan, kasi, of course, papunta yung direction doon eh. Diba? Papunta yung direction. So, tatamaan yung ating bolt. Kahit yan compression. Kasi yung mangyayari dyan is nakukompress ito eh. Halos nakukompress, pero tatamaan pa din yung ating, kasi hindi siya actually loaded na talaga na loadings, kasi pa sideward yung load papunta doon, so may stretch yan, tatamaan dito yung ating mga bolt kasi nandito yan eh, ito yung bolt, so may stretch talaga dito or may stress dito yung ating bolt. So ibig sabihin yung ating area na gagamitin or yung ating mga projected area, ito, diba, that is 1 inch minus the diameter of the bolt times the thickness. Okay? 1 inch minus 3/8 the pin times the thickness. So, we have 0.3125. Yun yung ating mangyayari sa ating bolt. Okay? So, kasi i-resist pa din ng bolt yan eh. I-resist ni bolt. So, obligado siyang may stress dyan sa portion na yan. So, this would be our shearing, this would be our stress area. Ito yung may stress sa kanya. Kasi papalo dito, tapos dito. So, that would be the area of our magiging bolt. Okay? So, stress natin is equal to 11.085 PSI. Okay? So, next naman tayo for letter B. Letter B, if the load mo naman is nandito. Yung loadings mo naman is 90 degree. Yan, for keeps. Yan, so, computein mo ulit yung ating, okay, actually, kanina na-compute natin. Kaya lang, ibang scenario na naman ito. This would be our RBD. Na-compute na natin kanina yung RBD, pero hindi na yan magiging applicable dito for number 2 kasi nag-change na yung loadings natin into 90 degree. So, pababa na siya. Di ba? Ganyan yung mangyayari naman sa kanya. So, kukumputin uli natin. Alam naman natin na kanina yung value dito, di ba? This would be 6 the square root of 3, yung distance papunta dito. So, since ngayon is nandito na yung ating magiging loading, so kailangan natin hanapin yung value dito. Okay? So, that is equivalent to cosine 30, kasi yung x naman natin dito, that is cosine 30, hanapin natin x over 18. Diba? X over 18. So, ganyan yung ating naman solution. So, 18, okay, clear lang natin, 18 cosine of 30. So, that is 15,588. Okay, that is 15,588 yung ating 15.588. 15.588. Yan yung ating magiging distance naman. Ngayon, magti-take ako ng moment dito. So, take tayo ng moment. So, ganyan yung ating mangyayari. Diba? Okay? So, moment at A, we have the RBD. Yung RBD natin, the distance is 6 the square root of 3. And then yung Porkips naman natin is, that is, actually that is 9. Diba? For 15.588, that is also 9 the square root of 3. That is 15.588 pa din. Okay? So, solve natin. That actually, kasi, yung mangyayari kasi dyan is, kasi ito yung mangyayari, that would be compression. Kanina kasi, ibig sabihin kasi tama na yung ating dyan, loadings. Na pag ganun, i-react niya to. Diba? So, since pumapalo ito, papuntang pababa, so ibig sabihin nako-compress ito. Of course, ang tendency is to react nito. Magre-react siya. So, ganyan yung mangyayari. Ito nako-compress siya. So, kaya negative yung ating magiging value dyan. So, yung ating area naman is actually kasi nako-compress na lang siya, yung na-stretch na lang sa kanya is not applicable na yung ating volt. Hindi na mangyayari yung volt natin dyan. Kasi yung na lang dyan is yung body niya lang. Ito na lang na area. That is 1 times the thickness. 0.5 kasi nandito na yung ating loads. Diba? So, yung ating dyan is 1 inch times 0.5 na lang yung ating area. Yun na lang kasi yung tatamaan. Mag-a-act na siya not in the bolt but in this bar. Okay? So, that is negative 12 KSI. That is our answer for our this problem.